Good evening from Hollywood Studios. Tonight we are here for the passholder previews for Rock and Roller Coaster starring the Muppets. We're right outside G-Force Records. Our group is just about to be called, so I figured let's head inside, let's listen to the new music that's out there, let's start to do a tour of the queue, and then by the time our group's called, we'll be able to hop online, look at all the new artifacts and stuff. There's so many Easter eggs, some obligatory that they put in there purposefully, others are a little harder to find, but I can't wait to get on this ride. I'm so excited this ride is here. I miss Muppet Vision 3D terribly. This is a bad replacement for Muppet Vision 3D. Still holding on to hope that maybe they bring it back to the Villains Theater. But from what I've seen, this ride is an upgrade from Aerosmith. Although I do love Aerosmith and the ride before and the music, I think this is going to be an update. So let's go ahead and head inside. And as we make our way under the archway, I know I covered this in some other videos, but in case you haven't seen them, this is now gray. And the car has been repainted for the Muppets. So, great. I love the color scheme. I don't love the gray. I get why they did it because they want it to be like a modern record label building and they don't want it to clash with the brand new animation courtyard area. But still love it. The guitar is amazing. We can see that the hedges are currently back up. The other thing that I saw today was food was open for a little bit. This is new from Swedish Chef. It has since closed for the evening, but that was open earlier, so hopefully we'll be able to get back and get in there. And then here you go. This is the brand new guitar, all colored and painted. The lights look great on it, as well as the new poster up there is fantastic as well. So that looks like all we can really see from right here. The music is a little more updated rock music. Not as much Aerosmith, a little bit earlier stuff. Right now it's I Wanna Rock. Like I said, we're waiting for our boarding group to be called. It should be called here in the next few minutes. And then we'll head inside and start to do a walkthrough of the queue and then a full POV of the ride. So make sure you stay tuned to the end because we will have a full POV for you. But for now, let's go get inside this queue and do a tour. Also, the other thing I wanted to point out, there was a concert here last night for media. The Electric Mayhem was here and performed. Looked awesome. If you haven't seen the clips, look it up. Looked a lot of fun. Wish they did that for day guests. Anyway, let's head inside. One other thing I wanted to point out is they do have the Rock and Roller Coaster starring the Muppets under construction pins. I think these are pretty cool. They have Fozzie, Bean, Swedish Chef, Sweetums, and then over this way, sorry guys, Gonzo, Sam Eagle, Beaker, and Destin Honeydew. And now that we are in the queue, we do officially get a look at the food by Swedish Chef. We did miss this today. We will come back and try it. We got the walking nachos, the churro drumstick, premium soft serve float. They have the pink lemonade, like limo instead of limonade, and a pond water limeade. Those are like the new things that are here specifically for this. But then just like before, the Rock Around shop has now been Muppified, but you exit over there. Really cool Muppet poster. If they sell this, I would get it. And then a nice close-up of the guitar. The teeth. He's got one gold tooth. Fun little Easter egg on the outside. The first thing I noticed in the queue is we do have new posters. Drums, The Doctor Will See You Now, Prepare to Rock, One Night Only, Reporting for Duty. Wait, what, Zoot? Can you picture this? Horns 24/7, Calling All Mayheads. It's time for Mayhem, live in concert in Hollywood, and Like for Sure from Janice. Also, don't know if you can hear the Electric Mayhem in the background, but they do have some songs that play intermittently between other regular rock songs. Also, new single rider line. So I guess that's going to be the single rider line over there.
Thank you for your attention. And at this time, I rest my case. Sidebar, as an attorney, I particularly enjoy roller coaster law because I always find it the loophole. This is Visual.
That was Joel for legal, leading us the safety instructions. I like that. Fun little Muppet twist already.
I'm sorry, is my nephew bothering you?
No, but you are.
Will the concert start soon?
No.
Why not?
The band's not here.
Do you have any questions for me?
Several.
Well, like what?
Do you ever run out of questions?
No.
May I have some of your popcorn?
Yes. Well, do you like butter on it?
Depends how much butter is in it.
Can there be too much butter?
Never.
Where does butter come from?
Tired cows.
Tired?
Constantly.
Hi there. We're all waiting for the Electric Mayhem to arrive, but the crowd is getting restless. So, how do you entertain a restless concert crowd? Beach balls!
Whoa! kind of a big deal.
Abraham Lincoln.
Big Thunder Mountain. Oh. Hey, don't stare at him. You know,
Don't stare at the goat. Yeah.
Not bad. What's up? Look, I didn't want to have to drop names, but I'm friends with Hannah.
yeah. We're all friends with him.
Oh, I play drums like Hannah. In fact, I play drums with the Beach Boys, you know?
Oh, yeah. Just kind of carry those around everywhere, do you?
Yeah.
Hey, gang, we got Stamos' bongos here.
My bongos.
Hey there, Walter here. Now I am at Backstage, the actual venue where the electric
Walter's back.
live.
The way they're supposed to be.
Hey, you looking for the Electric Mayhem?
Yeah, well, have you seen them?
Seen them? They've been following me around all day.
Wow, whoa, where are they?
Right there.
Oh,
Huh.
I think those are mops.
No, I don't feel so bad for ducking their heads in the bucket.
Oh, and over here we get into our props finally. So let's see what we got. We got this piggy dress, Kermit banjo, Muppet Mayhem stuff. Sorry, we gotta move quickly. Single rider walkthrough. Oh, here we go. Oh, I like all the photos they added in here. I like all the photos a lot. Now they're going pre-show.
Can you just welcome to the studio? Please keep moving all the way across the room. The band is distracted, so no photography or video lighting. I'm pleased to announce the first stand on the handrails.
How's that sound?
Electric Mayhem, we should really be heading to your concert. We're already very late.
Whoa, look at all the looky-loos.
Oh, hey, the VIP tour. Welcome, everyone.
What's happening? Big Bob. What's happening?
Wait, you have been at the studio this whole time?
Indeed. We've been rehearsing for the big show.
We're at the big show, and you were due on stage hours ago.
Hey, Scooter, why didn't you tell us we was late?
But Chef?
Is Pretty Gertie rocking the road? Pretty Gertie rocking the road.
Well, that was kind of a half-baked gag.
I don't know how much longer this crowd's gonna wait.
Don't worry, Kermit. The Mayhem will be there.
Good.
Though I have no idea how. Dr. Honeydew.
Oh, excuse us. Beaker and I were just testing the latest innovation from Muppet Labs, the lengthy immediate motion object.
A limo.
It's pronounced limo. How fast getting at the van here? Factoring in the current traffic conditions. You got a minute and a half.
Let's go.
Okay, you should get going.
But what about all of them?
You know how we feel about our band?
All right, how about backstage passes for everyone?
I love that idea.
Two, get moving.
Come on, gang. We got places to be and people to rock.
Backstage passes. All right, VIPs, head to the back alley to load up. Enjoy the show.
Okay, we're off to the concert in one,
See you later.
Have fun.
We want to get you VIPs to the concert ASAP.
This animatronic's amazing. Oh, Sweetums is back. Look. He's dust bunnies. Oh, the Muppets. I love the halibut. They got the Black Les Paul back there from Aerosmith. Kermit's banjo. Good stuff. Enjoyed that a lot. And after you exit the pre-show, you're greeted with a wall of Employee of the Month posters. They're all Scooter. So the backstory is that Scooter's uncle bought G-Force Records and put him in charge of it, which is why he is now that's why he's with the Mayhem, trying to get them there. He's doing the recording, and he's the reporting of the month all the time. Also on the wall, you have all the Electric Mayhem costumes. So there's Janice, Dr. Floyd, Dr. Teeth, Lips, Zoots, and Animals. Oh, it feels good to be in this alley again. ready to go. I love some of the things in here. Like this is now the Downtown Under Comedy Club with a section for the rats, like that. Also, all of Gonzo's costumes and things are over there. That's cool too. I also like that the license plate is Muppets as they get ready to launch. I'm also going to keep going here because the line keeps moving. This is where a lot of the Muppet Vision props ended up. The Great Gonzo banner, the Great Gonzo plane, the Great Gonzo stuff, props, all of that stuff all kind of ended up here. We do also have a new video animated by Muppet Labs. Also, like they have, though, this is really secret stuff like it was at Muppet Vision 3D. They brought those back too. So I enjoyed that as well. So good. I like Animal doing the countdown, but I do miss the old video screen that was there. A Pizza Rizzo sign, now hiring. I also like Muppet Labs Automotive Division. That's awesome. I'd buy merch with that on there. Again, really top secret, but they want us to watch. Oh my goodness, it's the Muppets Mobile Lab. Also a Muppet car from Muppet Labs. I love this logo. Give me that. Give me that on a hat. Also, we're sitting in the back for this, so we'll see how it goes. All right, I'll see you when we get off. Oh man, it feels good to be back in this thing. The Muppet Labs machine. Take it. Here goes nothing, Beaker. Oh boy.
Best route to the concert. Now, Beaky, would you connect our friends to the concert audio?
All right! Hey, gang, we got a spectacular delivery for you. From across the pond, swift quickly to your ears, may we introduce to you Def Leppard!
Oh, Def Leppard! Oh boy. Oh boy. 3, 2, 1. Oh. Womp womp.
3, 2, 1.
One team! Oh yeah. Oh, it feels good to be back.
No, wait! Don't start the concert! The fans are just getting here!
Yeah, and we haven't left yet!
Oh, so good.
acoustics here are terrible.
I can hear the music just fine.
Yeah, that's the problem.
Oh yeah, so good. And as we make our way out, we're greeted by the Electric Mayhem performing again, just like they were the last time. Also, the Jim Henson Muppet is back, which is awesome. Oh yeah. Can you picture that? That's me right there. That was me. Oh yeah, look at Animals. Oh, they're playing it again. Because they got to restart it for the next car. I love that so much. But I can't wait for the merch. But great job, Electric Mayhem. That was such a fun ride. And as we're exiting, we have some like ticket stubs and some of the posters and stuff for Dr. Teeth and the Electric Mayhem and the concert that they put on tonight for us in Hollywood. Really good. I really enjoyed that a lot. All right, final thoughts time. So good. I miss Muppet Vision 3D greatly. That ride was for everybody. This ride is only for a select few, right? You can't, you have to have a height limit. Older people can't ride it, so they're not gonna get to experience the Muppets anymore. Like, I still can, and some other people can. But man, Rock and Roller Coaster was so good before. Like, I used to come here when I was a kid, and me and my sister would ride this thing 10 times in a row, as late as we possibly could. It was like my favorite ride at Disney World. It did what it was meant to do. This is a whole new version. You have 5 different songs now that the Muppets will play, so I had Def Leppard. I really wanted Song 2, didn't get that, so I'll have to come back to get Song 2. But still so good, the music flows. The signage in the ride is basically the same, a couple, you know, things here and there, like the Pizza Rizzo sign's awesome. You know, they also have the 3D effect guy, I can't think of his name right now, but the balloon thing that Dr. Beaker makes, that was there as well. As an Oblivious, I don't know if you caught that on camera, but that was there, Beaker was there. The whole beginning, the pre-show is so much better. The pre-show animatronic, Scooter, it looks awesome. The whole thing's great. Top 10 for me. This is a re-ride. This is an awesome time. I highly recommend you can come out and do it if you can. And yeah, hope to do it again soon. Really, really enjoyed this. They did a great job with this on a short timeline, which is great to see. Someone else said this, so I'm going to steal it. The last time Disney did this such good of a job with a rebrand is Guardians of the Galaxy Mission Breakout of DCA, where they took an old Tower of Terror, turned it into Guardians of the Galaxy, and it's probably better than the original. I think this is up there, where they've taken a ride and made it better. So I'm hoping the Muppets stay. I'm really hoping Stretch Dream Villains becomes Muppet Vision 3D, or some other Muppets attraction, maybe a new version of it. So we'll see. But thank you so much for tuning in this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you liked it. Again, so much more coming to Disney World in the next few weeks. It's a great time to be here. Please follow along, like the video, leave a comment if you thought it was better than the original, worse than the original, all that good stuff. And we'll see you all in the next one. Bye.